In this video, we will try and fix the Speech Services by Google download stuck error on your Android devices. Let's begin. So you may encounter such issues if the Speech Services app does not have the necessary permission to update languages over data networks. So in order to fix that, open the Google app on your Android. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and tap on Settings. Tap on Voice and select Offline Speech Recognition. Switch to the Auto Update tab and mark the option that reads Auto Update Languages at any time. You can also force stop the app and give it a fresh start to resolve such issues. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your Android and navigate to Apps. Scroll down to locate and tap on Speech Services by Google. Tap on Force Stop. Finally, hit OK to confirm. After this, the Speech Services app should start automatically and finish any pending updates. Lastly, this basic solution can help you troubleshoot almost any Android app. Clear the cache. Yes, to do this, open the Settings app on your Android and navigate to Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Scroll down to locate and tap on Speech Services by Google. Tap on Storage and Cache, and tap the Clear Cache option. Lastly, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Speech Services module. Open Play Store and search for Speech Services by Google. Tap the Uninstall button and select Uninstall again to confirm. After it is done, you'll see an Update option. Tap on it to install updates for the app. This should fix the problem. Subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tips and tricks like these for Android devices, and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.